For 175 years, Stanley has been creating tools that tradespeople can trust. And to this day, we're here for one reason: to help pros get the job done better. As the industry changes and evolves around us, we listen to and work with our end user to develop and hone our tools. We do it side by side with the experts who know more about tools than anyone else, the tradespeople.
Riva have been working with Stanley for a couple of years now, and that involves collecting impartial ratings and reviews from verified purchasers who are actually using the tools in the real world. The great thing about the content we've been collecting from Stanley is that so much of it's coming from pro users, and these guys really know what they're talking about. Not only is this content really useful when people are looking to buy their next tool online, but it's also incredibly valuable feedback that drives the research and development process back at Stanley.
In the last year alone, we've surveyed more than 7,000 end users and conducted in excess of 1,000 face-to-face interviews. As a product manager, that often means going out on site, working with tradespeople in order to refine our concepts and ideas.
Tradespeople play an integral part in our marketing. We teamed up with a small group of professionals and named them our tool crew. These professionals feature in all our photography, adding a sense of realism and authenticity to what we do. We've built up a great relationship with our tool crew, so it's very much a collaborative relationship.
Listening to what our end users need and creating products together is what makes Stanley what it is today, and it's what makes our tools pro as standard.